Hi, my name is AliNowak. Today I'm going to show you a Builderall tutorial and some of the Builderall tools. So Builderall has these done-for-you sales funnels. So you click on the builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and you go to new website, and it has all these different funnels for different niches. So you have these over here. So you got your lead magnet funnel, membership funnel, you got your product launch funnel, video sales funnel. So you got all these pre-made, done-for-you funnels for like different niches. You got stuff here for local businesses. You got different types of sale funnels. You got stuff for landing pages, stuff for blogs, health and beauty. There's stuff here for fashion. There's stuff for food, entertainment, travel, social network. There's basically everything. There's stuff for construction. You got stuff under the all categories where you have more of a selection. So as you can see, there are many different types of funnels that you can create. If you go to the sales funnels area here, there's more funnels that are pre-made and basically done for you. So you have more of a selection here. You have your video sales letter, invisible funnel, product launch funnel. You have the storefront funnel, summit funnel, membership funnel. So you have all these pre-made, done-for-you funnels here. Lead magnet funnel, home page, squeeze page, bridge funnel, sales letter. You have the survey funnel. You have the application funnel, reverse squeeze page funnel. So you have all these different funnels that you can use over here. Alright, so you also have more funnels to choose from under the drag and drop responsive. It's a little different than the drag and drop Pixel Perfect. So you would click on drag and drop responsive, go to new responsive site, and you would have these to also choose from. You have stuff here for skin. So you have more funnels here for different niches. Then you can also go on you have an app creator here for mobile phones. You have your mailing boss for email marketing. That's also included with the basic plan, which is $29. You have the design studio. So you have a design studio, presentation builder, photo studio. You have the ability to have animated videos, floating videos. You have stuff here under apps. You have the Facebook chatbot. You have the there's an auto post here. So you have the auto post. That's also used for Facebook. There's the e-learning where you can make a online training course. There's a script generator. The script generator makes it easier for you to create copyright. So you have stuff here that's basically done for you for email marketing, for different types of sales funnels. You have your avatar. You can make avatars. You have a script generator right here. So you scroll down. You have a social proof that you can use for funnel pages or for websites. You also have the webinar hosting. You have a marketplace. You can have an online store. You have your training videos here. You have your Builderall business over here. So you can also promote Builderall, and you can make reoccurring commissions. So you would scroll down. You would click on Builderall business, and then you would go to money making funnels. And that's where your affiliate links would be located. So you can also promote the tools, and you can promote Builderall business. And they have stuff for the mailing boss. You can promote the mailing boss. You have the Builderall business itself affiliate link. You have a 7-day free trial. So besides the affiliate links, you have here you can see your earnings. You have a spot here where you can see your leads. You have a spot here for the training if you do want to choose to promote Builderall. So you start off with the basic training. So you have the basic training area where you have stuff for the social media marketing, you have videos for the Facebook groups, you have videos for the you have videos for how to promote more so on Facebook. You have videos for YouTube, how would you start making YouTube videos. You have stuff for keyword research here. You have stuff for basically how to start to create your video, how to start it, how to end it. You have more stuff for ranking the videos, the thumbnails for the videos. You have your more ranking stuff for the videos for SEO. You have Quora. You have more stuff for Quora. And you have more stuff here for accessing the Builderall Tools for leveraging the affiliate program. Also, after you get like 3 signups, then you go to the immediate training, and then later on there's the advanced training. You have your weekly webinars here. You have access to support over here, and you have your earnings calculator right here. And also with the affiliate program, under the money-making funnels, if you click on category and you click on niche funnels, there's different niche funnels, so you can promote a funnel for the specifically more so for a beauty salon. You have a funnel here specifically for fitness, if more so people are into just fitness. You have stuff here for a chiropractor, you have for a dentist, and you also have for accounting. So you have different types of niche funnels that you can also promote, and you can earn commissions on these also. And then there's the, if you click on category and you go down to open funnel, then there's also these funnels here that were done by other people. There's one here, the $1 Million Challenge funnel. This is by Liam James, so you can promote his funnel to get signups. And then there's also the, then if you go back to category and click on funnels, you scroll down, there's the 90-day challenge funnel. So the 90-day challenge funnel, which is done by Chad Bartlett, he's the marketing director with Builderall. So you can help promote Builderall by using the 90-day challenge funnel. So as you can see, there's many different things that you can do with the Builderall. You can basically just use it for the tools for affiliate marketing, or you can have your own online store with the marketplace. A lot of the stuff like the marketplace and the Facebook chatbot and the webinar hosting, that's mostly through the Builderall business, and so is the affiliate program. But all of the other funnels are included with the $29 plan. That concludes the Builderall tutorial with the Builderall tools. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the possible earnings with the Builderall business with the affiliate program. And if you do decide to purchase the Builderall business, I will help you set up the mailing boss, and I will help you get started. The Builderall business is only $49.90. The basic plan is $29. If you guys found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.